test drive in my 1973 Camaro Z28 RS LT. Obviously Z28 Camaro came out in generation 1, 67 through 69. Generation 2, 1970. Z28 had the solid lifter motor, 360 horsepower. 71, I think it dropped to 330 horsepower, but I think they recalibrated where they took the horsepower from, the rear axle versus the crankshaft. Then in 72, you got getting more emission control. The horsepower dropped down to 245 and stayed 245 in 1973 and 1974. Then 1975 they discontinued the Z28 until, I can't remember if they came out with another kind of stickered up version in 76, maybe 75, 76, and then started really with earnest in the Z28 in 1978, and it ran through 1982. 81, which was the end of the generation 2, and then obviously continued when they redesigned the Camaro. So this particular car again is a 1973. It is a rotisserie restoration, but an older rotisserie restoration. I got it when it was relatively fresh. I think I put 2,000 or 3,000 miles on it, but it was about the 4th car I ever bought back in 2005. I think December of 2005. So right about 15 years ago, I bought this car. It doesn't get a lot of use just because of the number of cars I have. It's been a very dependable, reliable car. One, because it was rebuilt, completely rebuilt during the restoration. Most everything was replaced, so for the most part, it's a new car. Horse. Wasn't extremely fast, although this car has a pushboard 30 over and has a little bit hotter cam in it, and it has headers, so you probably hear the headers. So it's probably more like, I don't know, 280, 290. I really don't know. Again, as the Z's evolved from the 69, 68, 69 models, which were just high revving, powerful cars, fast cars, through 70, 71, which again 360, 330 horse, down to these. They were still performance car, but not to the degree that they were. Probably more of a cruiser and a fun car. So thanks for coming along.